That's the dynamic within which all these narratives are being created, but especially this traditional narrative. You might be able to say it in your discussions of theology, you might be able to say it if you are Imam Bukhari, but in the capacity of Abu Hanifa as a legal scholar, that Ibn Taymiyyah says he doesn't know, then it's likely not a hadith. The one where there's a confession and the one where there's a denial, but the accusation is enough. More importantly, the meaning there is not simply warfare, but a particular type of warfare against kufr, against disbelief. Nationalism puts forth an alternative ideology to religion, setting up to think about right now as a challenge for the traditional narrative. You find that basic concept and idea in Shah Waliullah's work. It's more extensively elaborated and discussed in Ghamidi Sahib. The historical record allows this. And here they introduce, and Ghamidi Sahib introduces this idea of the historical record. What should happen now that there are two generations of Ahmadiyya? Are they all apostate? Does everyone face the death penalty? And here, scholars struggled. Take the time to understand the other perspective